guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. I'm so sorry for my absence. But today I'm bringing you guys this very beat makeup look inspired by my girl Lord China on Instagram. She did this bomb look on a client and I was just like, I have to recreate it like ASAP, okay? So here we are. So yeah, I really hope you guys will enjoy the video, and if you guys want to know how to get this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to start off doing is I'm going to be priming my eyelids with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Deep. Now I'm going to take my Morphe M139 brush and I'm going to be picking up, whoa, everything is a mess right now, I'm so sorry. But I'm going to be taking my Morphe 3502 palette today and I'm going to be picking up these two shades. They're like rich brown shades and I'm just living for that. I'm going to take this shade called Flame from that same Morphe 3502 palette. And I'm going to be blending that right above the browns. I'm going to press it. Morphe M433 brush. And I'm going to be picking up a black eyeshadow, mixing it in with the brown because I want to deepen up this crease in the outer third of my eye. So now that we have all of that done in the crease, now it's time to cut our crease. I'm going to be using that same Maybelline Fit Me concealer to cut my crease today. And I'm going to use that same brush we used to blend out the concealer when we first started. And I'm just going to pat it out just a little bit. Then we're just going to go straight into shimmers because I want to put the shimmers on while the concealer is wet. So I'm going to take my Juvia's Place the Saharan palette. It's so dirty and musty. But I'm going to be taking the shade called Fula, which is like a really pretty pinkish purpley shade. I don't know if y'all can see that. This one right here. It's super gorgeous and I'm going to be putting that on the center of the lids. Now I'm going to take that Morphe 3502 palette once again and I'm going to take that shimmery orange shade right here and I'm going to put that right in the center of my lid. And it just looks so much more pigmented when the concealer is wet versus dry. If you set your concealer and then put shimmers over top of a matte eyeshadow, it will not mix well. So just a heads up, because I don't have any single yellow shadows, I'm going to take this yellow shadow right here. And I'm going to put that right in the inner corner. Since I don't have any yellow pigments, I'm just going to use the matte shadow because I'm putting a glitter over top of it anyway, so I don't think it really matters that much. Now I'm going to take this Star Crushed Minerals glitter in the shade Flirt, and it's like a peachy color, peachy orangey yellowish color. It has so many colors inside of it, and I'm going to use that today for glitter. The base for my glitter, I'm going to use my Urban Decay Heavy Metal glitter in the shade Midnight Cowboy. This is gorgeous. It's a classic Urban Decay product. clean up under my eyes, pop on some lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, now it is time to do the face since the eyes are complete. Of course we're gonna go full coverage today because when am I not full coverage? So before I apply foundation, I'm gonna apply some primer, and I'm gonna be using the, what is this? Becca Backlight Primer. Okay, now I'm gonna take a little bit of my Dermalogica Hydro Blur Primer. I like to take just a little bit of this on my T-zone area. Just a little bit of that. And this does not mix well with the backlight primer at all. So like, I suggest not applying it over top of that or mixing them together because they don't mix at all. I'm gonna take my NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation in the shade Mocha. This is, you guys already know how I feel about this if you've watched my foundation review. If you haven't watched my foundation review, I'll leave a link right here and down below in my description box because, honey. Yeah, I'm just taking my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Cafe. This is my favorite concealer of all time. Like, this is the best concealer ever. Other than the ColourPop No Filter concealer, this is the best concealer. And I haven't really tried many concealers because I'm cheap. So I don't like to spend a lot of money on. I don't like to spend a lot of money on products anyways, but especially face products because I already have my Holy Grail drugstore products. So I'm like, why would I have to go and splurge on like face products? Like, that's just not what I do. So I like to splurge on like palettes because I can use any foundation. I mean, not any, but like I can pretty much use any foundation, but I cannot use any palette. Like, I just can't. My under eyes in place with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Fit Me powder in the shade Deep. Okay, now I'm gonna take, I look crazy right now, but now I'm gonna take my Pure Cameo contour stick from Pure, obviously. And I'm just going to contour my cheeks and the forehead and my nose. I'm going to go ahead and use my Juvia's Place, the Zulu palette, and I'm going to take, of course, this brown shade right here for bronzer, and I'm going to take my Morphe M527 brush. This brush is freaking fluffy and huge for my fat face, so it's perfect. I'm gonna take this Carroty Blush Balm. I can't speak. I'm gonna take this Carroty Blush Balm in the shade Burgundy Blast, and I'm gonna take the first shade right here called Yes, perfect. And I'm gonna blush my cheeks up. I'm just gonna take that same brush. And burgundy is perfect for this look because the eyes are burgundy. Perfect for fall. Don't want to put too much on though. I am going to take the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. Okay, for lips, I'm going to line my lips with my NYX lip liner in the shade Espresso. I literally need a new one because lips today, I'm going to go ahead and use this Ofra liquid lipstick in the shade Verona. It's so gorgeous. Smells like cookies. Even matte, but of course I'm gonna gloss it up. Okay, over top of that, I'm gonna take my Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine gloss in the shade SPL. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll be leaving all the products that I used in this video in the description box down below for you guys to check out, along with some coupon codes to save you guys some coins. You guys can follow me on Twitter and Instagram, all of Makeup by Shania, and I'll see you guys in the next video.